Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with a phone in two ways. The first method is to pair it during the setup process of the watch. So basically if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second method is to do it via the settings after the watch has been already set up. Okay, so let's continue with the pairing. First, I'm gonna show you how to pair it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via the settings. So let's start. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. After you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, if it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list. Now, select the language you like to use on your watch, then press the start/stop button to confirm. And as you can see, we're being asked if you want to pair with a phone. Select the yes option, it's selected by default, and then press the start/stop button to confirm. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our phone. So let's open the Play Store, Google Play Store on our phone. In the Play Store, let's tap on search, type in Garmin Connect, and then tap search. You should see the page for this application, Garmin Connect, with this icon. Now, tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Now, we need to log into a Garmin Connect account. You can tap also on create account to make a new account if you need to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the boxes, then tap next. Now we need to enter the credentials, so tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done with the password, you can tap on next. Oh, I must have entered it wrong, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, let's tap on next. And as you can see now, it's working. Once you log in, you may get the pop-up about the permission. So basically the app wants us to allow the permission for the location. You can tap on manage permissions, and here you can allow it or deny it. It's recommended to allow it, but if you want, you can also deny it. I'm just gonna tap on while using the app to allow it. And now the app should automatically detect your watch, as you can see. If it doesn't detect it, you can also try to turning on and off the watch, entering the pairing mode again. Basically, you need to see this on the screen to be in the pairing mode. And after you do that, it should work. So once the app detects our watch, tap on the connected button, then tap on OK. Now we need to enter the code from our watch right here on our phone. So tap right here, enter the code 9443 and 92. Tap OK. Now let's tap on next. And here we can customize the settings for our watch and app. Right here, as you can see, we can set up the sleep time. So basically when we usually go to sleep. And you have when I go to bed and when I wake up at. And you can tap on the boxes to set the time. This is useful when you try to use, for example, the do not disturb mode during the sleep. So it's gonna be turning on at the time you go to bed and turning off when you wake up. So it's quite a useful feature. I'm just gonna set it by tapping on the box like this, then swiping on the screen like that. And then you can tap on wake up time and set it like that. And once you're done, you can also select if you want to receive the notifications between these times. You can select yes or no. And then tap next. Now we can also opt to send the training data to new devices if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on no and tap on next, but you can do it if you want to. And here we can, or probably you will see another pop-up about the notifications. As you can see, we have the notification access, or rather pop-up not about the notifications, my bad, about the permissions. So as you can see, now the app is asking us for the permission to allow the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications on your watch from your phone. So if you want to see the notifications from your watch on your phone on your watch, my bad, you need to allow this permission. And to do it, tap on allow notification access. If you want to deny it, tap on skip. I'm just gonna tap on allow to allow it. Here we have the calendar access permission. So this will allow you to, and as you can see, I'm being spammed with notifications at the moment on the watch because I allowed the permission for it. Okay, it's done. Again, here we have the calendar access. This allows you to access the calendar, display the appointments and stuff like that. So if you want to use this feature on your watch, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care about it, you can tap on skip. I'm just gonna allow it. Next, we have call log access. This is useful for the notifications about calls. So if you allow the call log access, you will see who's calling you. Basically, you will see the contact information and stuff like that, and voicemail and stuff like that. If you want to use this feature on your watch, allow the permission. If you don't, tap on skip. And here we have phone call access. So if you want to receive the notifications about the calls, allow the permission. If you don't, you can tap on skip. And last one is messages. So if you want to receive the notifications about messages on your watch, again, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care about it, you can skip it. Okay, once you're done with the permission, you should see this screen. You can tap on sync now. Then tap on finish. And here we can basically set up a few more things, like we can add the Wi-Fi network, set up the Garmin Pay, create workout, and search the Connect IQ store for more apps. You can tap on certain things to open the page for it and basically set it up, like here. I'm just gonna tap on complete setup to skip this, and you should see the main page of the app. Now, also you could see you should be able to see the watch icon right here. And you can also tap on menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Forerunner 645 on the list of devices connected to your phone. You can tap on it to open the device page for your watch. And at this point, the watch is paired with our phone. Okay, now let's unpair it. So I'm gonna tap right here, tap remove to unpair the watch from the phone. And I'm gonna show you how to pair it via settings. So basically how to enter the pairing mode via settings. To do it, simply open the settings on your phone or the menu. To do it, press and hold the up button to open the menu like this. Then scroll down by pressing down button. Keep scrolling until you see the settings option. Press the start/stop button to enter. In settings, scroll down, find the option called phone. Select it, press the start/stop button. Here, find the option called pair phone. Select it, press the start/stop, and you should enter the pairing mode. Now you can go to the app, and if you're logging in, the app should automatically detect the watch. But if you're already logged in into an app, you can tap on the plus button right here to add the device, and again, the app will detect the watch automatically. And once it does, you can tap on connect it, tap on OK, and basically follow the steps as we did before. It's the same process, but you just need to go through settings to enter the pairing mode. Then tap next, sleep time, D&D, next, sync now, finish, complete setup, and our watch is paired with our phone. Okay. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.